Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Tab 11 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. Okay, so let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. Let's tap. Now we have to tap on see all 48 apps, of course 48 in my case, you can have different number, and in the right upper corner we've got 3 dots icon, so let's tap. Now let's tap on reset up preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on reset apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.